What's up, KT fam? I'm back with another video. Sorry I've been gone for so long, but I'm gonna explain why in this video. But we gonna eat because I'm hungry and I haven't eaten nothing. And my food is not hot. But I got some sauce, ketchup. And this is a bacon cheese sandwich. See that? And you see the bacon. For the first time, I'm trying some onion rings. I don't like onions, but I wanted to try some onion. Hold on, y'all. Let me take it out of the pack. Some onion rings and some tater tots. And this was supposed to be green tea, but they showing sweet tea. Okay, so I've been in the process of moving. I've been in the process of moving. So that's why a lot been really going on. With the coronavirus, and so it was like hard to actually for me it was hard for me to record because I was staying with my mom and I don't really have. Oh, y'all, it's gonna rain. It's thundering lightning outside. I don't have the privacy to sit down like I am now to actually record a video because we have children staying in the house and my nieces and nephews are not going to be quiet. I'll tell you that now. They're not going to be quiet. And if I do a video and they're not included, it's going to make them feel like left out. So I was trying to find me my own place so that I can be able to court more and then do more for you guys. So more content, more content and all of that stuff. I did find something that I might like. Haven't really 100% think I'm gonna get it or not, but something that I like. And if more details about it, I'll let you guys know further, and to us going on a daily, y'all, I'm not even, sorry y'all, going on a daily what's going on with Kat. I'm going to keep you guys updated. Let me see. My first time trying to, anyway. I don't really taste the onion. That's the good part because I don't like onions. But, so, I'm not going to be eating all of this fast food, but if you guys want me to do a lot of mukbangs and stuff like that, let me know. Because I have no problem doing the mukbangs. If y'all can hear that thunder outside, it's gonna rain. And there's a lot of stuff been going on. But I want to take you guys on a journey with me, you know? Of what's really going on. This food is cold. This food is cold. Now one of these things is hot. This food is cold. And the crazy thing is, I just got my food. But I just been like trying to get right so I can actually focus on YouTube and actually make it my main focus. Well, now I can work from home. I can record more. We can do cooking videos. I'm going to take you guys shopping with me when I go to Walmart and other places like the mall. You know, take you guys with me so that you could be on a journey with me, so you don't feel left out at all. I actually like onion rings now. Maybe just the ones from Sonic. But I didn't let you guys know I am eating from Sonic. I just wanted you guys to be updated on what's going on with me and where I've been, how I've been. I've been good. Life has thrown me some curveballs, but other than that, I've been blessed and well. I can't complain. Because even though some don't go as planned, doesn't mean you just give up. But now I'm working from home. So we're gonna do some tours. We're gonna do some we're gonna do how I stock my refrigerator when I get a place and a lot of stuff. You know. I just want to be honest with you guys. That's the honest truth of why I haven't really been recording. It's because I've really been trying to find me a place and find work where I can focus on YouTube and stuff and get better quality for you guys. You know, better light. You know, that you guys can see me great right here. You know, light. We got the light. You see all of the food. You know, you can see what's in it. It's a little bright, but the food is like right up under the light. But you guys can see that I'm eating the bacon and egg and cheese, and I don't supposed to be eating bacon. But Sonic is one of my favorite restaurants. And I haven't had none in a while, so I had I have been eating healthy. I know I said I was going to keep you guys on that journey. There's so much been going on. So much. It's crazy. With the weather changing, all of this rainy weather, like, it's crazy. Okay, y'all, I'm going to eat this part right here to see if I like the onion. It's just fine to me. I think it's the Sonic sauce. But how my followers been? How you guys been? Leave it in the comments. I think I'm gonna go grocery shopping tomorrow. So if I go, I'll take you guys with me. And this is, because I didn't show y'all. Ooh, I wasted that all on the napkin. It was supposed to be green tea, but they gave me sweet tea. Because I'm trying to, I never really liked it, sweet tea, but I'm not going to let my money go to waste, so. But that's a little bit of update on what's been going on with Kat. A little mukbang. You know. Y'all just pray for good things. And may God bless everyone who's watching this video. I just want to tell you guys that and we're going to talk more about the Black Lives Movement in my next video. But that's a little update. I didn't really say anything, not too much. But as time goes on, I'm going to keep you guys updated more and post more videos. I'm going to finish this. I think I'm finished because I'm full. But I love you. And if you didn't know, God love you. Bye, KT fam. Hope you have a blessed day.